Number 37, choose the right adjective, an adverb. This prompt is to encourage you to think about what you're trying to express when you're writing a description. You need to avoid generic descriptions. For example, if I tell you something's delicious, do you know what it tastes like? No. Because one person's delicious is another person's bland. Is it smoky, tart, salty, sweet? Now we're beginning to home in on what that character finds delicious. Be sure and avoid adjectives and adverbs that only show emphasis, like really, very, extremely, for example. Find a stronger verb, find a stronger noun, and ask yourself, what am I trying to express about that character? If I had someone walk up to a center entrance brick colonial and say, oh, isn't that house beautiful? Beautiful is one of those words that it's in the eye of the beholder. So if I write something like the center entrance appealed to so-and-so, Mary's love of symmetry, now I'm explaining the word beautiful in this context and adding important information about Mary that may come into play later. Something is out of place. She might get agitated. She likes order. That's important information. I know you can do it. How do you approach the task of finding the right words, the right adjectives, the right adverbs, the right verbs, the right nouns? How do you approach it? I ask, what am I trying to express? What do you do? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I read all the comments below. Even better, record a video. Upload it using the hashtag beatthebotsbook. And don't forget to tag me so that I can help spread your word. I can amplify your voice. If you came to this video in any way other than the book, Beat the Bots, A Writer's Guide to Surviving and Thriving in the Age of AI, I hope you take a look at the book. It's filled with worksheets and exercises to help you hone your creativity, to capture what is inside of you already and bring it forth to come up with new and innovative approaches. That's how we'll beat the bots. Would you ask your librarian to put the book on the shelf? I'd appreciate it so much. Also, your independent bookseller. Thank you.